अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो में हम विंग ट्यूटोरियल के बारे में बात करेंगे कि विंग ऐप में हम किस तरह अपनी वीडियोस को एडिट करेंगे। तो आइए चलते हैं विंग ऐप एडिटिंग के बारे में जानते हैं कि हम किस तरह अपनी वीडियोस को एडिट करेंगे।
We are introducing Wink, the app that magically improves your photos and videos in seconds. Just open Wink and go to Quality Restoration feature for stunning results. Just select the style, then select your photo or video. Wait a moment to upload, and here is the result. It's wonderful. But there is more. Explore the AI expansion feature to expand your videos or images in 3 simple steps. So first take a screenshot of your video, crop it, and now select AI expansion feature. Then import that screenshot image, choose your desired ratio and click start, and watch your image will grow magically. Now go to edit option, and import that expanded image. Now click overlay and import your original video as a overlay. Now adjust size accordingly. Plus use mask feature to keep feather up to 60%. And here is the result of AI expansion tool. Just elevate your creativity with Wink.